To find the zeros of p of x, we factorize p of x by splitting the middle term. We require two numbers whose product is 6 into minus 1, that is minus 6, and sum is minus 5. The numbers are minus 6 and 1. So we split the middle term, minus 5x, as minus 6x plus 1x. Then take 6x common from the first two terms and 1 common from the last two terms. We get the factors x minus 1 and 6x plus 1. Clearly, the zeros of p of x are x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 6. For the new polynomial, the zeros are 3 times the zeros of p of x. That is 3 times 1 and 3 times minus 1 by 6. So, zeros of the new polynomial are 3 and minus 1 by 2. To construct the new polynomial, we will first find the sum and product of the new zeros. So, we find the sum 3 plus minus 1 by 2 and the product 3 into minus 1 by 2. So the sum of the new zeros s is 5 by 2 and the product of the new zeros p is minus 3 by 2. Substitute these values to obtain the new polynomial. Choose k equal to 2 to avoid the fractions.